Apologies for not making a Hbar video update yesterday. I really did think that I did, so I'm really sorry. In the last Hbar update, we're talking about this trade that I placed on the day of the ETF. I think I posted it on my Twitter, and how we just scraped a little bit below the target, so we just missed it, which looks like it hit it, but it actually didn't. But it did close it in profit. You can see that if I didn't actually do anything, would have been a stop loss. I'm just going to get rid of that for now, and then what we would then do, use that pump, measure it with the fibs, and it's going to show us where we're going to be coming down to and finding support. And if this really truly is a potential uptrend, we're going to get at least one more wave up. So we came down to where we were anticipating, the golden pocket over here, as deep as that 786 fib at 4574, and with that we got that reversal back up to the 200 EMA here. So while we are still beneath this, we can see previously the pumps up to it. Even if there's a slight fake out, we eventually continue lower. So my expectation, it hasn't changed. In fact, guys, back over here, when when we saw that all the targets had been met with this massive dump, I was then suggesting we're going to find support within this area, and that if we do find support and break this high, I'm anticipating the 1 fib level to be met. That is why I had a trade with that as my target. And yes, it slightly missed. I then did close it quite high up there, front running it essentially. And then with that, expecting a rejection, as it was support of this range for the past month. And we never really got a nice retest. Can you see how we lost the support and came back for a retest over here? We didn't actually dump quite a lot as we saw over here, and then we saw the turnaround and came back up into there, confirming it as resistance. And then you'd want to measure that pump into the resistance, showing us where the key levels of support were. We have that purple box already drawn out, knowing that this is a key level of support, so it just sends us back to our high. And again, our high is what the previous range low was, which is the 1 fib level at 4890. This was already marked on the chart for some over a month now, and we can see that our lines are being respected. Our areas of support and resistance are being respected. Not only that, what can help us on top of our lines are the moving averages and the 200 EMA, which for me on the 4-hour time frame is the trend decider. Although we had this short-term pump, it's basically just pumping up into those key levels of resistance, and then from there we are anticipating further downside. However, if we were to ever break past the 200 EMA, I'd be expecting a pump back up to 5 cent, okay, around here. And yeah, that would still be my resistance. Only if we break through 5 cent, I still won't change my stance that I'm bearish. We need to break out of this range that we were trapped in for the past month over here. So a break of 5208, that's when I would potentially change my stance into at least short-term bullish. However, at the moment, I would still be, I'd still be believing, even if we reclaim this and pump up into this area, that this could still fall, we could still fall back under the 1 fib level and still go ahead and even continue lower. So I will be here to further update you guys, but for now, this is our resistance. We were anticipating this for over a week now, that if we held support down here, we would see this pump into the 1 fib level. We've now seen it. That's a tradable opportunity for you guys to go ahead and profit on. If you're not yet profiting, do consider taking action on my education. I've got a discount that is for the remainder of this month for everyone to apply on my course, which is 6 hours long and 30+ videos teaching you from a beginner into a self-sufficient profitable trader. Not only that, you will gain access for 3 months totally free in my Discord community, where you'll gain access to group mentorship sessions. So I make sure you're following the criteria, making your strategy a bit more bulletproof, making sure you're looking for those exact things on the chart, and if you're not seeing them, we're not entering the trades. You're going to be going through 12 to 24 of those group sessions in those 3 months, in that 3-month period, if you do come to all of them. And yeah, if that's something of interest, the course is now down to £100 until November. So just reach out to me with the links in the description of this video. Head over to Twitter, ask for the discount promotion code, and I'll apply that for you guys at discount on the website when you're ready to take action. Cheers, guys.